Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick video here. I've been getting a lot of people asking me about this website, iPhone Dev Secrets. It's also called App Dev Secrets. It's short for Application Developers Secrets, or in other words, it tells you how to create your own iPhone or iPad project, a video game or another app. Tell you how to create your own iPhone or iPad video game or app in 4 weeks and make money out of it by selling it in the App Store. So this video is for anybody who is curious about what you get when you purchase a membership to this site. Um, Please check my channel if you want to see more information about what this is, or why you would want to have a membership to this site. But this video is going to strictly be for somebody who wants to see, somebody who's curious about buying this product and wants to see what it's like on the other side once you do make that purchase. There's a lot of stuff in this site, so I'm going to try to keep it brief. Let's start at the beginning. It's laid out really easy to follow. Start here first. There's an introduction video to give you a short overview of the app and game development market and the potentials of making money in this business. Then it'll also tell you a little bit about some extras that you can upgrade to get even more information. But again, I'm going to focus on what you get here. And so, yeah, once you get acquainted with these few videos, you start at update week 1. Now, I'll get to this at the end of the video, but start at week 1. And I just want to walk you through exactly what all the videos are, so you see what you get here. Week 1 is devoted to getting your work off the ground and putting together your boldest ideas into a product. You'll learn all about planning a project and putting together a development team, the optimal budget for startup, the main differences between iPhone and iPad apps and game developments, different ways to become an app or game developer. You'll learn different approaches to app building and game development and understand the apps and game development market and the potential of this business, like we kind of mentioned that earlier. And then here are the different training courses. The information is provided for you in segments in each of these 4-week modules. But let's click on the first one and show you it's not just videos that you get. There's also a full lesson PDF that you can download, and you can download that to your computer and watch the videos as well. Now, I don't want to give away the videos on this inside look video. If you want to watch these videos, definitely pay for this membership access to this website. I think it's definitely worth it, but you be the judge. There's a 30-day money back guarantee too, so you can go through the course. If you don't like it, send it back. Get a refund. So anyway, I'm just gonna, like I said, show you what are in these videos. So video 1, a short overview of the app game development market and the potentials of the business, a description of the course structure. They're all laid out like this. Each week starts with a description of the structure and what you're going to learn. Here's the summary for week 1. 3, the most important things you need to know about iPhone app development. Doing some market research for your future product. It's really important to do market research before you start with anything to make sure that it's going to make money. Or if you're just doing it for fun, if you can skip this. But assuming that you want to make money with your product, it's very important to do market research. A few tips to planning your product: finding your niche, and all about product ideas. Who will use your app or your game? iPhone and iPad app game development. What are the main differences? App and game development for iPhone, iPad. Some of the main differences. And number 9 here you can't see because my screen capture software is set on a certain resolution, but number 9 is a step-by-step how-to iPhone app game development from absolute newbie to expert. So that's what you're going to learn in week 1. Then you move on to week 2. Week 2 is all about programming, and how it's easier than you may think. Week 2 is devoted to different programming techniques and getting your feet wet in iPhone app and game development. You will take time to look at ways of finding out what programming tools are available for iPhone app development, what hardware and software should be used for iPhone app game development, learn how to use Xcode code editor, develop basic grasps of a few different programming languages. Programming practice is given by developing an iPhone iPad web app during week 2. You will create a simple game and build a universal app for both the iPhone and the iPad. That's during week 2. You'll learn about software testing procedures and see how to simplify the app development process using special shortcut tools. So you learn that in week 2, and the modules are summary, basic requirements, what you need to know before you get started with programming, developing using the SDK, a quick start guide to using frameworks and libraries to save time. The Xcode documentation. This is great right here. Debugging your Xcode projects. How to create a cool interface with Interface Builder. Creating a simple app, Hello World, using Xcode. Creating a simple navigation-based app, Hello World, excuse me, using Xcode. So that's two different apps you're making there. How to create a simple game for the iPhone, iPad using Cocos 2D. Making a web app for the iPhone and iPad using iWebKit. How to create universal applications for the iPhone, iPad using Xcode. Testing your iPhone apps, Lazy Person's Guide using other development tools, developing iPhone projects on Windows, iPad as a platform for developing web applications, the development on the iPad, new Genius tools in 2012. So yeah, this is a couple of years old, but this information is still works. Let's write on the iPad for the iPad. Codia is the perfect tool for beginners. And number 19, which is cut off because of my resolution, iOS 5 and 6, the problem of compatibility with earlier versions. Week 3. This is devoted to learning methodology, sound effects, and animation for iPhone app game development. And I'm not going to read all of this stuff to you, but you get the idea. If you are interested in this information, and you want to know how to build an iPhone or iPad app in 4 weeks and make money on it on the App Store, this is definitely the product for you. You go through all this stuff and you learn about everything you need to know to do this. Now what is also cool is after you get done with the 4-week course, here's another thing, and it's kind of like your homework, I guess you could say, in a different way, or it's like a school project. What it is they walk you. It's like a training method. They walk you through building a Space Invaders game, and so you'll build that as like your first kind of project of using this information. So I definitely recommend it. Click the link below to buy this product and learn how to create your own iPhone or iPad app and start making money with it. Thank you very much.